The secret power of beans. How seniors can rebuild muscle. After 60. Introduction. Why muscles disappear. After 60. After the age of 60, your body begins to work against you in ways most people don't realize. Muscles don't just get smaller, they actually start to die off. Doctors call this age-related muscle loss sarcopenia, and it can quietly rob you of your independence. By the time you begin to feel weaker, you've already lost up to 15% of your lean muscle mass. Past age 70, that number can rise to 30% or more, even if you think you're eating a healthy diet. The result? Tiredness, weak legs, joint pain, poor balance, and faster aging. The scary truth: protein alone, especially from eggs and meat, isn't enough. Many animal proteins lack certain amino acids and plant compounds required to switch muscle building on at the cellular level. But here's the good news. Recent scientific studies show that the right type of legumes, beans, peas, and lentils can reverse muscle breakdown, improve strength by as much as 26%, and even protect against diabetes and frailty. Most seniors, unfortunately, don't eat nearly enough of these powerful foods. That's why in this article, we'll reveal the top 8 beans for rebuilding muscle after 60, ranked from least to most powerful. Supported by real research, these foods can help you stay strong, independent, and energetic well into your golden years. Lima beans, the overlooked muscle spark. Lima beans may not be the most glamorous food, but they're a hidden powerhouse for seniors. Each cup contains 7.8 grams of protein, but what makes them special is their high content of leucine, the amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis. Think of leucine as the spark plug that tells your body it's time to build muscle. Lima beans also deliver manganese and molybdenum, minerals that improve tissue repair and oxygen delivery. Their soluble fiber stabilizes blood sugar, reducing inflammation that can delay recovery. Pro tip: add lima beans to soups or steam them lightly. Pair with tomatoes or lemon juice to boost iron absorption. Black beans, the metabolic enhancer. Rich, dark, and nutrient-dense, black beans are muscle builders disguised as comfort food. With 15 grams of protein per cup and a strong dose of leucine, they help preserve lean mass and strengthen connective tissues. Black beans are especially important for seniors with insulin resistance, a condition that worsens with age. Research shows that people who eat black beans regularly improve insulin sensitivity by 20% or more, making their muscles more efficient at using nutrients for growth instead of storing fat. They're also loaded with anthocyanins, the same antioxidants found in blueberries, which reduce inflammation and protect muscles from oxidative stress. Pro tip: soak dried black beans overnight, then cook slowly with garlic and olive oil to unlock maximum nutrients. Navy beans, the circulation booster. Navy beans may look plain, but they pack a powerful punch for aging muscles. Each cup provides 15 grams of protein along with arginine, an amino acid that supports nitric oxide production. This expands blood vessels, improving circulation and delivering more oxygen to muscles. In a 2014 study, older adults who ate more arginine-rich foods, like navy beans, saw a 9% increase in leg strength in just 12 weeks, without changing their exercise routine. Pro tip: soak overnight, then cook with turmeric, garlic, and black pepper to enhance anti-inflammatory benefits. Chickpeas, garbanzo beans, the hormone balancer. Chickpeas are among the oldest and most trusted legumes for strength. A cup of cooked chickpeas delivers 14.5 grams of protein, along with essential minerals like iron, zinc, magnesium, and vitamin B6, all vital for turning dietary protein into usable muscle tissue. Studies show daily chickpea consumption lowers post-meal blood sugar spikes by 22%, protecting muscles from inflammation and helping regulate hormones like testosterone and growth hormone. Pro tip: roast chickpeas for a crunchy, high-protein snack, or blend them into hummus with garlic and tahini. Mung beans, the anti-inflammatory healer. Tiny but mighty, mung beans are rich in leucine and provide 14 grams of protein per cup. They're particularly effective at overcoming anabolic resistance, the body's reduced ability to process protein after age 60. Research shows that seniors who ate leucine-rich legumes like mung beans absorbed 30% more protein, especially when paired with vitamin C-rich foods like tomatoes or bell peppers. Mung beans also contain flavonoids that reduce TNF-alpha, a harmful inflammatory marker linked to muscle atrophy. Pro tip: use mung beans in soups, porridges, or sprout them for salads. Great Northern Beans, the bone protector. Muscles and bones work hand in hand, and Great Northern Beans support both. With 15 grams of protein per cup, plus calcium, phosphorus, and potassium, these beans improve muscle contraction while reducing age-related bone loss. A 2016 study found that seniors with higher phosphorus and potassium intake had 23% fewer fractures and stronger lower body function. Pro tip: cook slowly in soups with leafy greens like spinach for added bone-strengthening vitamin K. Tortus. Soybeans, the complete protein. Soybeans are the only legume that qualifies as a complete protein, offering all 9 essential amino acids. With an astonishing 31 grams of protein per cup, they rival animal sources. Even better, soy protein is highly bioavailable, meaning your body absorbs it nearly as efficiently as animal protein. Clinical trials show that seniors who consumed soy protein while exercising gained the same amount of strength as those who ate meat. Soy also contains isoflavones, plant compounds that regulate hormones like cortisol, reducing stress-related muscle breakdown. Pro tip: eat soy in its least processed forms: edamame, tofu, or cooked soybeans. Avoid processed soy meats. Lentils, the king of senior strength. At the very top are lentils, the true muscle-preserving superstar. Each cup provides 18 grams of protein, 15 grams of fiber, and a powerful dose of leucine. A groundbreaking 2021 study revealed that seniors who ate lentils regularly had a 41% lower risk of sarcopenia compared to those who didn't. Even when protein intake was equal, lentil eaters outperformed others in strength and endurance. Lentils also regulate blood sugar, reduce belly fat, and fight inflammation, all while being affordable and easy to cook. Pro tip: cook red or green lentils into soups, curries, or stews. Pair with turmeric and black pepper for added anti-inflammatory power. Final thoughts: building strength beyond 60. Losing muscle after 60 isn't just normal aging. It's preventable. By adding the right beans, especially lentils, soybeans, and mung beans, to your daily meals, you can rebuild muscle, strengthen bones, improve balance, and protect your independence. The secret isn't expensive supplements or heavy workouts. It's nutrition, simple, science-backed foods that most seniors overlook. So next time you plan your meals, remember, muscle health starts with beans.